natural disaster, people seem to recover quicker. You get a lot of volunteers. You get people coming in to help other people very quickly. People volunteering that wouldn't normally help at all. Where like Oklahoma City and Waco and Virginia Tech and Columbine and stuff. You had lots of people volunteer to help 9/11, but it took us a while to process it. You couldn't believe it was happening. I can't tell you how I was glued to the television on 9/11, watching all this taking place and thinking it was surreal that this couldn't possibly be happening here. Oklahoma City. I had just gotten to Phoenix on a vacation, and I'm watching this on TV and saying, how can this be? I guess the one thing that I want people to know and hear is that these officers are put into situations that nobody else ever faces. They're put into dealing with families who have just lost everything, whether it's a child or whether it's their home and their children, and they're put in impossible situations and asked to do something that is almost superhuman, and for us to not support them in that effort is just wrong.